Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going to do a simple sauce, caramel sauce. And here's our ingredients. First, of course, we have this 1 cup of light sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use sea salt also. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And our last ingredient is a mixture of 1/4 cup of fresh milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. So we can start now. All we have to do is just mix all the ingredients. We have here unsalted butter. If you only have salted butter, you just have to adjust your sea salt. It can be half teaspoon instead, or to taste, up to you. So all our ingredients are already in our pan. After 9 minutes of continuous stirring, this is our sauce now. After we cool down our sauce, this will be our sauce now. We're going to transfer now our sauce to a container.